Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Volkswagen Beetle S Turbo. This one is a silk blue metallic. Underneath here is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 174 horsepower and 184 pounds of torque. This one has 16-inch multi-spoke wheels, a Titan black interior, rear spoiler, turbo badging in the rear, clean set all season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, power windows, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, climate control, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Volkswagen has 14,213 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Volkswagen Beetle Turbo, visit us at feldmannimports.com.